So I start off by using Wicked Violet, and I'm going over her suit, all the body tone, with some light colors, and then I'm building up the darker colors later. This is actually a really dark color. It's a pretty opaque color, so I'm trying to be pretty careful with it. I'm adding a yellow, it's a sepia, to her like guards and her hair now. And then I'm adding some more tones into her hair as well right here. So I'm using like these dagger strokes to make her hair, these wisps and these brush strokes back and forth to build the hair. And that's one of the most effective ways to do that. And then I'm also outlining the emblem on her chest in the same sepia. I like to use these colors a lot. I use it for her face as well to get all the shadows and all the colors in there really well. This helps me build the tones that I need for the painting. So now I'm adding the tones also over the purple. It's muting it down more and bringing it back to a color that's recognizable in the painting. And then I'm adding orange over it, like a bright hot orange, and some flame red over that as well. And this is really giving it depth and dimension now, and also it's blending the entire painting together as one. Notice I go different spots here and there, and then I'm filling in the background now. I want to make sure the background's really filled, and then I'm painting over that with a flesh tone. And this is lightening up all the colors and bringing it back to that, you know, that flesh tone color that she is. I'm adding the flesh tone also to make highlights so it's not so overpowering as a white would be. I'm zooming in right here, and then I'm adding a darker tone on top of that flesh tone. I think it's like a burnt orange, actually, with some violet added to it. And some of the original color as well. And then I'm going over the face. And this is all really blurry right now, but I'm going to refine it later. This is just giving me the composition of the painting. This is a darker tone. This is black, but with some browns in it as well. And then I'm going over the eyes, and then adding some in the lips, and then some in the hair over there as well. So I'm going over the hard shadows. This is a dark brown I'm adding to it right now. And then I'm adding it into the emblem, into the hair as well. So I'm going over these again, and I skip real fast to this part right here where I'm adding a lot of highlights. I'm adding white. What I did off camera is I had a bunch of white, and then I'm adding orange over it right now. The camera died, but I had to keep on working. I just want to get this video out to you guys. So I'm adding a deeper red on top of that. So if you notice, what I'm doing is I'm building all the tones in the painting in layers. I'm stacking them on top of each other. And that gives it all the depth and dimension. Adding red, it's like a dark red brown on top of that to really make it pop, because she's really bright, fire red, and I really make different tones of red and different that into the painting to escape that. And I'm outlining all the contours. So then finally, one of the final colors adds some black, and that sharpens up the entire painting. Into her hair as well. This is important because it makes the whole painting in the foreground pop out from the background. The background recedes. Remove the eyes again. Remove the nose. It's okay because it's a comic